Have you ever thought that there are no more good products to sell on Amazon? It's too competitive, it's too saturated, and there's just no more products to sell? Well, you are absolutely right if you are doing the same things that everyone else is doing. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down a product research technique that I promise no one else is using, so stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and I'm really excited to break down today's product research technique because no one is using it, and that is the key to Amazon FBA success, is finding products other people aren't finding, using strategies other people aren't using, because if you're using the same strategies that everyone has been using for the past 2 years, you're going to be finding the same products, and then it just gets crazy competitive, and that's where Amazon is like cutthroat. So make sure to stick around, and before we dive into the video, I want to dive into my seller account, let you guys know that I'm a current FBA seller. I'm in the trenches with you. What I teach is what I do personally, okay? I don't teach anything that doesn't work, that I don't currently implement in my FBA business, so that's why I show you guys my cells. So it's just 12:30 for the day, and as you guys can see, in the last 30 days, over 75,000, as you can see right there. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure to go down and hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, leave a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying, and leave a comment that lets me know that you guys are enjoying and that you guys want to see more content in the future. So before we dive into that, I just want to make sure that you guys are joined in on the free Amazon Champion Facebook group. There's a ton of people, like-minded sellers. If you guys have questions, go there, ask your questions. I'm there active. Other people are answering the questions as well. And then also check out the resources down in the description. I have the product research course. I have a full A to Z mentorship program if you guys are interested, so make sure to check that out. So without further ado, let's break down this product research technique that I promise you're not going to want to miss. So we'll see you inside. Alright, so here we are inside my screen, and what I want to do is first break down what are we looking for in a product. Why is product research so important? So for those that are new to Amazon FBA, if you do not do product research properly, you're just setting yourself up for failure. Amazon has changed throughout the year, and you have to get really creative when it comes to launching a successful product. So not saying that it's impossible, I still do it. I have students that are doing it all the time. You just need to think outside the box and get creative and not do what everyone else is doing. So right here, this is kind of my criteria of what I'm looking for in a product. And again, I have tons of other videos on the channel breaking this down, so I don't want to go too much in depth. I just want to show you guys the product research technique. And then what you do with these products is then you go and you check off the box and say, okay, is it in demand? Is it high or low competition? What are the profit margins? What is the average reviews? The PPC campaigns? Can you be different? And then obviously you need to avoid the products that have patents, restricted and gated categories, etc. Okay, so make sure that you understand what we're looking for in a product. And if you guys are confused, I have other videos on the channel, and then also I have a product research course. I also have the full A to Z mentorship program, which goes over even more in depth with product research. So make sure if you guys are stuck that you take advantage of these resources. So right here, this is kind of the general criteria that I'm looking for. So now let's go to this product research technique that is going to blow your guys' mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Groupon. For those that don't know what Groupon is, it's just a big, massive marketplace similar to Amazon, where they have deals of the day. They have different things to do, concerts, massage, just literally anything, any activity. But they also have a goods section where they actually sell tangible products, okay? So just kind of like Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this section where it says goods, and you can go and you can pick any category that you are interested in selling in, whether it's baby and kids, health and beauty, men's fashions, toys, sports and outdoors. And so you just go through and it shows there's 18,000 products in baby and kids. So there's 18,000 products that you can literally go through and see if you can find an idea that you wouldn't have originally thought of. So that's kind of the gist of this product research technique. Is you go, for example, you click on baby and kids, and then it's going to show you a bunch of different products. You can search in like the subcategories, and you just scroll through here and you find things that you wouldn't have originally thought of, and something that catches your attention, you then go search it in Amazon, and then you pull it up on the Chrome extension, which is super, super important. You guys need product research tools, which I'm going to show you guys how to use them. But if you guys don't have it, make sure to check out Helium 10. I have a 50% coupon code that you guys can have access to the suite of software tools that is going to eliminate the guesswork, make it so that you aren't guessing what product is good, what product is bad. Okay, so back to Groupon, we're just kind of scrolling through and seeing what catches our attention. And I did this for literally like 5 minutes before, and I found this animal finger puppet. I came over here, I searched it on Amazon, and I pulled up the Chrome extension, and then it just kind of shows me what is the average reviews, what is the demand, how much competition is there, and you can dissect all this information and know, okay, this may be too competitive, maybe there's not a crazy demand for it, am I going to be able to succeed with it? So right here, as you guys can see, average reviews is 97, so it's not crazy competitive. The average revenue is 2,400, so it's not crazy in demand. So maybe this isn't the best product, but maybe it shows something that you're really interested in, and maybe there's a spin-off of these finger puppets that you can do to really improve the product and stand out compared to the competition. So that's kind of the idea behind it. We'll keep scrolling and see what else we can find when it comes to products. So there's the finger puppets, and again, whatever catches your attention, you just literally copy and paste into Amazon, and then you go through, you use the Helium 10 software tools to figure out, is it in demand, what's the competition, the profit margins, the reviews. This is crucial. Average reviews, what are the PPC campaigns, how competitive are they going to be, and then the last step is, how can you be different? You can't just launch the same exact product other people are selling. Okay, so that's really important. So let's keep scrolling. We'll go to page number 2, and here's another one that kind of caught my attention, is kids socks and wrist rattle toys. So we can go right here, kids socks and wrist rattle toys, and then again, I pull the Helium 10 X-Ray Chrome extension, and it's going to show me the average review, what are the other sellers doing, and then if it shows that the numbers are good, that's where you dive in, you reach out to suppliers, how can you be different, how can you come to market with something that's going to stand out to your competitors. So that's really important. So this one, the average reviews is 178, so it's a little bit more competitive. You can see the average revenue is a little bit higher, so maybe that's not the best, but maybe you're interested and you can dive in a little bit deeper. So we'll keep searching, and you just keep looking at different products, and you just keep searching. And like I said, there's hundreds of thousands of products that you can go in and search in. It doesn't have to be in the baby and kids category. It can be in any category whatsoever. So for example, right here, the baby banana toothbrush. You may think that's crazy, but they're selling all over Amazon. So this is something that is kind of interesting, and I'll kind of give you guys my thought on it. So we pull the Chrome extension, we see that the average reviews, it's going to be a little bit more competitive than what we want, 506. The average revenue is really, really high. So I mean, this product is in demand, and as crazy as you think a baby banana toothbrush or whatever, people are buying it like crazy. So my thought is, why not do a baby corn toothbrush or a baby carrot toothbrush or something that's different, that's not a banana? You could go search that up and see how competitive that is. So maybe instead of doing a baby banana, maybe do a baby corn toothbrush. And that's where you could maybe get creative and see if other people are doing that. Or like this one, they bundled a corn and a banana. So maybe what you do is you bundle a corn, banana, and a carrot toothbrush. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about as being different. So just because you pull this up and it seems super competitive or there's no room for the market, you need to look at other keywords. There's other potential options, and you can maybe bundle that pack to have the three. You have a carrot, corn, and the banana, and maybe that's just a killer pack, and you could just absolutely crush it because no one else is offering that. So that's something that you could look at doing, is how can you be different and how can you provide value compared to your competition. So baby corn toothbrush, just out of curiosity, let's pull the product research, the Chrome extension on this, and see how competitive this is compared to the baby banana toothbrush. So this one's actually even more competitive, and the average revenue is a lot lower. So maybe my thought process wasn't as good as I thought, but that's okay. We go back to the drawing board and we just keep plugging away until we find that perfect product. Okay, so you can't just expect that this is going to happen in 30 seconds. There's a lot of videos that talk about, oh, I found this $90,000 product in 5 minutes, but the reality is you have to go in and check, and it's going to take a lot longer than just 5 minutes of just magically finding this home run golden product. Okay, so that's not realistic. It's going to take some time, and this is an amazing technique. I mean, just scrolling for like 2-3 minutes, we found some interesting products that I would have never found. And here's another one, a bath kneeler, something that you put on the side of the tub, that could potentially have potential. So right here, so the search volume for the keyword, and then it breaks down the sales, the revenue. So the average reviews is 92, average price is 35, average revenue is 10,000. So this particular product is probably the best one that we've looked at. The average reviews may be a little bit higher than I want, but maybe you can differentiate yourself enough to really stand out to your competition. We know that the product is in demand because the average seller is doing almost 11 grand per month, and the average price is really good. So those are things that you guys need to do in order to be successful, is do what other people aren't willing to do. You may have to go through and scroll and scroll and scroll and go to the 40th page, and that may be your perfect product. Maybe it's not in this particular category. Maybe you need to go into health and safety, or baby toys, or baby feeding, or maybe outside of the baby and kids category. Maybe the sports and outdoors category. But there's so many different options for you to find potential products by getting ideas off of other platforms. I mean, and another interesting thing is it shows how many people have bought it. So 5,000 people have bought this. We know that it's in demand on Groupon. Why wouldn't it be in demand on Amazon? So that's what you're looking for, is products in demand but with low competition. And so this is just getting your guys's, finding products that you wouldn't have originally thought of, and then how can you add a spin on it, and how can you be different, and how can you make yours better compared to your competition. So that is an amazing product research technique. Don't overlook it. Go through, look at the different categories. There's tons of products, and again, make sure that you're checking off that criteria. So if we go back right here, and if you guys want to learn more about this criteria and exactly how I verify a product, again, I have that product research course, and then my full A to Z mentorship where I'll actually verify your products for you. But this is my criteria of what I'm looking for in a product, and then I'm avoiding these things in the product as well. Don't sell products with patents, restricted products, gated categories. That is crucial. Stay away from that. Don't want to get your Amazon account suspended for doing something silly. And that is why I have this channel, is just to help you guys avoid the headache and hassle down the road of running into problems that you didn't really foresee in the future. So that's why I stress this, and I can't stress it enough, is product research is going to make or break your FBA business. So take your time, get creative, think outside the box, go through all these products, and I promise you're going to find that perfect product that you're going to just absolutely crush it. Okay, so make sure to take advantage of this technique, and then make sure that you do have the product research tools in order to set yourself up for success. You need that Chrome extension. It's like $17 per month, and you have access to it on Helium 10. So check out the link down below. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know what you guys thought about this technique, and also reach out to me if you guys found a good product using this technique, or if you have started seeing success because of something that I've said or I've taught you. I love seeing the success of my students, of the people that are following me. That's why I do what I do, and I really enjoy it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, and leave a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video.